Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to my online class. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well. I am also well. Today I am with you, Shakila Jahan, Assistant Teacher, Jurain Sheikh Kamal, Government High School, Dhaka. Students, today I will take class 1 English first paper of class 6. English first paper. So students, take this book, English first paper. Today I will take class on lesson 3. Lesson 3, page 7. Lesson 3, page 7 at a railway station. At a railway station. So dear students, I hope all of you have opened your English first paper, page 7 at a railway station. You know, railway station is a place where train arrive at and also train depart from here. After completing the lesson, students will be able to talk about people, places and familiar objects in short and simple sentences, read and understand text. So dear students, I will show you some word meaning now so that you can easily understand the text. So dear students, look at the blackboard. Here I have written some words with Bangla meaning. I am reading now so that you can easily understand the text. See off, বিদায় জানানো. Crowd, জনতার ভিড়. Long line, দীর্ঘ সারি. Loudly, উচ্চ স্বরে. In front of, সামনে. Couple, দম্পতি. Whistle, বাঁশি বাজানো. Below, নিচে. Profession, পেশা. I am reading again for your better understanding. See off, বিদায় জানানো. Crowd, জনতার ভিড়. Long line, দীর্ঘ সারি. Loudly, উচ্চ স্বরে. In front of, সামনে. Couple, দম্পতি. Whistle, বাঁশি বাজানো. Below, নিচে. Profession, পেশা. Dear students, hope you have understood the word meaning clearly. Now I will read the text. Dear students, listen to me. A. Read the following passage. My friend Shahjad and I were sitting at the railway station. I came to see him off. Shahjad was going to Dhaka to his elder sister's house. It was very crowded in the station. You know that usually a railway station is a very busy place. There was a long line of people at the ticket counter. Ticket counter is the place where we can collect our ticket. A woman is standing in the queue. She was holding her child's hand tightly. A group of young people was talking loudly and drinking tea in front of a tea stall. And old couple was trying to find a quiet place to sit down and rest. The waiting room was crowded too. Waiting room means the room where passengers wait to get their train, expected train. I saw one man who had trying to carry 3 heavy suitcases. A young lady was sitting on a bench with her luggage at the corner. She was reading a magazine. My friend and I stood near a newspaper stall, talking and watching the crowd around. Soon my friend's train started to leave. As the train whistled, he picked up his suitcase and we said goodbye to each other. Hope you have understood the text clearly. You can again read the text so that you can understand better. A1. Talk about what the speaker saw and did at the railway station. Use your own words. Actually, A1 is the summary of this passage, and I will not solve this. This will be your homework for this class. A1. A2. Match a word from column A with a word in column B that has an opposite meaning. One is done for you. Dear students, look at this chart. Two column A and column B. You have to match column A with column B using opposite word, not similar word. One is done for you, long, short. And you have to solve the rest. So dear students, try to solve this. Try to solve this with opposite meaning. বিপরীত শব্দ, similar meaning, সমার্থক শব্দ, which you have done earlier class, and today you have to do with opposite word. Hope you have done your work. So dear students, now I am helping you. Look at the blackboard. Here I have solved column A and column B. C of receive. C of receive. Long, short. White, busy, heavy, light. Pick up, drop. You can write this in your khata. And reading again. C of receive. Long, short, white, busy, heavy, light, pick up, drop. Hope you have solved this rightly. Now dear students, look at page 8. A3. Look at the picture. Talk about what things you see and what are happening. So dear students, look at the picture and try to guess what the picture about. Yes dear students, obviously this is the picture of a railway station. What can you see? Yes, we see many people. Some people are in train, some people are walking, some people are carrying heavy luggages, and you can also see a peddler. Here, look at this man, he is a peddler, feriwala. Therefore, suppose you went to one of the places listed below. Describe what you saw, what were happening, and what you did there. Describe what you saw. কি তুমি দেখেছিলে, what were happening, কি ঘটেছিল, and what you did there. a shopping place, a bus station, a fair. So dear students, you will practice this at home. Now we will read lesson 4. Next page, page 9. Where are you from? Where are you from means where is your home. After completing the lesson, students will be able to recognize words and stress on words in sentences, talk about people, places and familiar objects in short and simple sentences, ask and answer questions. It is natural that when two persons meet, they would continue their conversation. They may want to know where the other comes from or what the other person does and so on. Here are some conversation in such everyday situations. Usually when we meet a person, then we start conversation. And here we will see some conversations. 1. Mamun and his friend Akash have gone to a book fair. A lot of people have also come. They are all talking, laughing and buying books. Mamun introduces Akash to someone. Because of the noise around, Akash cannot hear his name. He cannot understand his name. Mamun, Akash, I would like you to meet. Akash, hello, my name is Akash. I am sorry, I could not catch your name. Dear students, look at the sentence. I could not catch your name. That means I could not hear your name because of noise. The stranger. James Collins, nice to meet you. Strangers means unknown person. Unknown person, অপরিচিত লোক. Akash, nice to meet you. 2. Where are you from, James? James, I am from England. A1. Imagine that you are at a bus railway station. A friend introduces you to somebody. You could not hear his name properly for the sound around. Now make a conversation among you, your friend and the new person. New person means strangers whom you don't know before. 2. Sometimes the same questions can be asked in a different way. Here is a conversation between an immigration officer and a passenger at the Shah Jalal International Airport, Dhaka. Listen to the conversation first and then practice it with a partner. As you are not at school, so you will practice this at home. Officer, your name, sir? Passenger, Robert Smith. Officer, where do you come from? Mr. Smith. Passenger, Australia. Officer, and where are you coming from now? Passenger, I am coming from London. Officer, welcome to Bangladesh, sir. Have a nice stay. Passenger, thank you. A2. In the above conversation, the officer asks the passenger first time, where do you come from? Dear students, notice this sentence. And again he asks the passengers, and where are you coming from now? Why? Here the immigration officer have asked the passengers same questions 2 times. The questions is, where do you come from? And why he asked 2 times. First time when he asked, where do you come from? He wants to know from which country he has come. And second time when he asked, then He wants to know from exactly which country he is coming now. Hope now it's clear to you, dear students. 3. It's the first day in the new class after the annual exam. Annual means yearly, Bashik. The boy sitting next to Joy is a new student. Listen to and practice the conversation below. Conversation means which the two person speaks. Kathopokathon. Joy. Hello, I am Joy. I am the class captain. New student. Hi, my name is Sajid. Joy. Where do you come from, Sajid? Sajid. I am from Sylhet. My father got transferred here. That's why I am here in Khulna. Joy. Well, I am sure you will like Khulna and your new school. Sajid. I know I will. Here I will means I will like my new school. Will you be my friend? Joy. I am already your friend. This is very smart answer. 3. Joy asks Sajid, where do you come from, Sajid? What could Joy ask him instead? Notice this sentence, dear students, and listen to me again. Joy asks Sajid, where do you come from, Sajid? What could Joy ask him instead? Joy could also ask him, which place do you come from, Sajid? Which place do you come from, Sajid? The answer will be the same. 4. Mamun and Akash are talking about Mamun's cousin Juma. Listen to and practice the conversation in pairs. All these are pair words. So you can practice this at home easily. Akash, what does your cousin do? Mamun? Mamun. She is an architect. Do you know architect? Yes. Architects means who designs building. Engineers. She mostly designs offices and shopping complex. Akash, what is she doing at the moment? Mamun, well, at the moment she is designing something different. She is designing a school building at the outskirts of Dhaka. Outskirts of Dhaka. Outskirts means borderline of a city. Prantodesh. 5. Mary and her mother are sitting in their living room. Living room means drawing room. Mary's mother, Rabia Begum, is watching TV and Mary is reading a story book. Their neighbor's little boy is crying at the top of his voice. Neighbor means the people who live next to you, Pratibeshi. Little boy is crying at the top of his voice. At the top of his voice means he is crying very loudly. Rabia, I just don't understand. That boy is screaming so much. Screaming means uchcho sware chitkar kora. Maybe he is hungry. When a baby is crying, when a baby cries, normally we think that he or she is hungry. But you know that a baby can also cry for his or her mother. If mother works outside. Mary, I don't think so. Maybe he is crying for his mother. Rabia, why? What does she do? Mary, she works part-time at the town hall library. That means she works outside home. for that her baby can cry for herself. A4, listen to the conversation between Akash and Mamun and between Rabia and Mary again. What difference do you find in the questions? What is she doing at the moment? And what does she do? Dear students, from these two questions, we understood that what she does for living. What she does for living or what is her occupation. Pesha. Language focus. Notice that sometimes the answer to where do you come from or where are you from is the name of the country one belongs to. That means from which country she has or he has come. But when both the speakers are from the same country, the questions would obviously mean what part of the country one belongs to. What part of the country one belongs to. From which district. Notice the difference between what do you do and what are you doing. What do you do means the same as what your profession. On the other hand, what are you doing refers to what are you doing at the moment. What do you do means the same as what's your profession. Or he or she does for living. And on the other hand, what are you doing refers to what are you doing at the moment. What are you doing at the moment? You can eat, you can read, you can gossiping, etc. That is mean what are you doing at the moment. You can watch TV also. And what do you do means what's your profession. What you do to live. Or to something, what are you doing around that time. Hope these questions are also clear to you. B. Look at the pictures below. Look at this picture. Here we see 4 pictures.